that snow, Abby. Look at that snow. What is it? It's cold outside. Look at that snow, Abby. Look at that snow. Is it cold? It's cold outside. Yeah. Bye-bye, snow. Is it cold?
What's happening in my world? I gotta make a shovel.
So I'm getting ready to go out on the deck, and there's about 5 feet of snow from the drift here on the deck in Charlottesville, and it's still snowing. So there he goes.
Okay.
Did that work?
That worked.
All right.
That's unbelievable.
Yeah. I'm not even standing on the deck. I'm standing on like a foot of snow. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe I can. That works.
Should I go around and get you from the other side?
All right.
Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness.
It's almost impossible.
Ivan.
That's a lot of weight, though, on this deck.
I know. It's. Get the video on, you might see me go down the whole deck.
I wouldn't want to miss that.
All right. Turn it off. Now I'm just trying to get by. Alright, we're getting ready to turn on our road here, Dickwood's Road. Small little gravel road in the country. Nobody comes from the other direction, we're in trouble if they do. Somebody used it as a turnaround. Oh my gosh. Interesting. Yikes. Alright, we're at our house, and it's 2 feet of snow out here, and my 7.5-month pregnant wife has no boots, so I have to carry her to the house, so we'll see how this goes. Over the shoulder or what?
No, how would I get over the shoulder? I'd be this way.
Oh! You put on some weight.
Oh my God. It was like,
I told you.